Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get components in Division 2. First, always deconstruct any gear or weapons you do not need. This is your primary source for basic materials like steel, ceramics, and polycarbonate. Next, focus on capturing control points, especially those at higher alert levels, as they often reward you with specialized component caches. Finally, make sure to complete your daily and weekly projects, as these frequently offer large bundles of various crafting components. Targeted looting is an excellent strategy for acquiring specific components. When you see a targeted loot area for a gear type you frequently deconstruct, like assault rifles or chest pieces, focus your efforts there. Capturing control points is also highly effective. A level 4 control point, for example, can drop several hundred units of various materials. Remember, the higher the alert level, the better the rewards, so try to raise them before clearing. Don't overlook the power of projects. Daily and weekly projects often reward you with substantial amounts of crafting materials, sometimes hundreds of units of a single type. Also, visit the crafting vendor and other settlement vendors frequently. They occasionally sell specific components directly for credits. If you have an abundance of one material, remember you can convert it into another at the crafting station, though at a 1-to-1 ratio. To efficiently farm components, always prioritize activities that explicitly list component caches as rewards, such as certain bounties or missions. Make it a habit to pick up every piece of loot, even if it's low tier, and deconstruct it immediately. Joining an active clan can also provide a passive income of materials through clan caches and shared project completions, giving you a steady supply of essential crafting resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.